Hi everyone, welcome to Presentation Pro, your online tutor for everything about presentations, PowerPoint, slides, and keynotes. I am going to teach you about handwriting text effect animation using MS PowerPoint 2019. You might have watched some YouTube videos with whiteboard animation, but most of them are created using paid softwares like Doodly, VideoScribe, Animaker, or Powtoon. However, if you can also have the handwriting text effect animation using your MS PowerPoint. So let's start creating one. This is our sample text that we're going to animate, and then we need a hand with a pen. So if you don't have this picture, you can go to Google and then just search hand with pen. Then you go to images. From here, you can choose which hand you want. Just make sure it has a transparent background. Okay, so to start with, let's first animate the text. So to animate the text, you just need to highlight, and then I will choose wipe. The default wipe is from down to up. You just have to change it to left to right. And because it's fast, we're going to set the duration to 4. And then start, we just use after previous. So let's try. Okay, perfect. Next, we're going to set our hand for the motion, but we have to make sure this one will display in front. So we have to click, bring to front. Next, we have to set the animation for the hand, but we have to choose the path animation. We're going to use the draw scribble. So you just click this one and then draw a scribble on top of these letters. So uh, when we play this animation, it will create an illusion that the hand with a pen writes above these letters, but in fact it's just a line that we're making right now. But we have our goal of creating a hand animation, handwritten animation in PowerPoint. Okay, so just slowly create the text. Make sure you don't release the left click button, because if you release it, that's the signal that uh, the scribble is on the end. Okay, that's what we have. But first, we have to set this one to run with the previous one. Same with the text. Okay, then let's make this one as 4 seconds as well. Then after the handwriting motion, we can just put the exit effect so it will fade. Okay, that's the fading effect. Okay, that's good. Next, let's try. Four seconds, 4 seconds. This one should be after. Let's change this one to after previous. Let's try. Okay, so let's try to adjust this one. Let's try to make it down so it will follow the path. Okay, let's try this. Let's play all. Let's move a little bit. Okay, let's try now. Yeah, that's better. So that's how you create the handwriting text effect animation using PowerPoint 2019. So first, we're going to animate this text. We're going to use wipe, and since the default is up to down, down to up, we have to use from left to right. And since it's very fast, we're going to put a delay of 4 seconds. Then we're going to use after previews. Okay, that's the animation for our text. Next is we will create the animation for our hand. And for our hand, we're going to use the path animation and then the draw scribble. So we're going to put a scribble on top of this text. Make sure you don't release the left button you're holding, because if you release, that will be the signal as the end of the scribble. So be patient. Okay. Few more letters. Okay. Okay, two more. Okay, there you go. I released the mouse, so that's how the hand will write. But after the hand writes all the text, I'm going to use an exit effect so it will disappear. Okay, so this one, the scribble effect, we're going to set this one as with previous, and duration is 4 seconds also. Let's try. Okay, after that we have to adjust the location of this hand to match the text. Okay, then let's try. So as you can see, it's just trial and error till you make it a realistic one. Okay, so that's how you make the text effect animation. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Presentation Pro. Check my other tutorials. See you next time. Stay safe.